Do negative thoughts constantly cloud your mind? Do you feel trapped in a loop of worry, doubt, or self-criticism? Today, we're going to do an interactive meditation exercise that will help you clear your mind, release negativity, and regain focus. Take a deep breath. Give yourself permission to pause. This is your time. Let's begin. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably or lie down if you prefer. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. As you breathe, notice your body. Release tension from your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Let the weight of your body sink into the surface beneath you. Your mind may still wander. That's okay. We will gently guide it. Now, pay attention to any negative thoughts that arise. Don't judge them, don't fight them. Imagine each thought as a leaf floating on a stream. Watch it pass by. Notice it, acknowledge it, and let it drift away. Repeat silently. I see this thought, and I let it go. This simple act of observation begins to separate you from the negativity, giving your mind space to breathe. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply, imagining pure, calm energy entering your mind. Exhale slowly, imagining all negativity, worry, and stress leaving your body. Do this for 3 deep breaths, feeling your mind lighten with each exhale. Notice how your body and mind feel more spacious after each release. Let's take a more interactive step. Visualize a mental whiteboard in your mind. On it, write down the negative thoughts or worries that are bothering you. Now imagine an eraser in your hand. Slowly erase each negative thought, one by one, seeing them disappear completely. As you do this, repeat, I release what no longer serves me. Notice the calm that follows, the mental space you have just created. Your mind is now clear. Let us fill it with positive energy. Think of one positive affirmation you want to carry today, such as, I am capable. I choose calm. I am in control of my thoughts. Visualize this affirmation as a seed planted in your mental garden. See it grow, bright and strong, replacing old negativity with calm, clarity, and focus. Take one final deep breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Notice how light and calm your mind feels. You've cleared mental clutter, released negative thoughts, and created space for clarity and positivity. Remember, you can repeat this exercise anytime negativity starts to creep in. Even 5 minutes can make a huge difference. If you found this exercise helpful, like this video, subscribe for more interactive meditations, and share it with someone who needs a mental reset today. Your mind deserves calm. Your thoughts deserve clarity. And you deserve peace.